Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever.
Alright, we're out of popcorn. It's not raining too hard right now, so we're going to get out there and test that bike quick before this track gets all muddy. And hopefully everything goes well. Had it running, seems to be running fine. Probably won't know until it's under load.
Every endeavor I wanna remember. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out, no. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me
Really like the feel of this motor. My seat is slippery as hell. And the back brakes are just horrible. Rock's nice though. Not muddy, except for a couple of spots, but the grip's pretty good. Take a little breather here. Body's pretty sore, haven't done that for a while. Bike handles really well, it's a lot of fun. So far I think this is the most fun I've had on one of these 125s yet. All right, so that's 3 laps around the track. Everything seems to be pretty good. Bike's running good. I think I still need to get this dent removed out of my pipe. I think that's giving me some low end problems right here. I got about a 30% restriction down there on the bend. So I got to take it into work and get them to heat it up and pop that dent out. Then I think I'll get that pep off the bottom. But through the mid and the top, feels good. I think that piston and the rings are seated now. So that's great. The bike feels really good. I need a new back tire on it, but man, I'm really impressed with the suspension on this bike. I thought that 86 125 had good suspension. This full floater blows that away. I don't know if the guy got the shock done and the forks done, because it was a racing bike at one time, but it definitely feels better than all the bikes I've had out here on the track. Alright, gonna take a break. So I'm hoping to make 3 or 4 laps, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. My arms are really sore, my wrists are sore. I've been sick for a while, so I'm not in the best of shape right now.
Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we rerun every endeavor. I wanna
Alright, so we're all packed up. Time to head home, put her away, pull that pipe off and take it into work and get that dent removed from it. And then start ordering some of the parts that I didn't change before, because I'm definitely going to keep it. See if we can't get a swing arm with a disc brake on it. Alright, thanks for watching.